Alright, so during my lunch break, I am here in Lansing in Michigan, the capital of Michigan. And over there we can see the Capitol building up there. So I'm gonna drive over there with my one wheel and new shoes. Let me see how we can do this here. This is the Grand River. I don't know why is there a thing on the side here. Oh, look at that. Look at this. I hope I don't fall off. Man. That's the bridge next to the bridge. And it's scary. I hope this wood is lasting here. I'm hoping. Oh, that's where the wheel could go down and through. Wow. Man. Capitol up there. And here, this is one of these parks. Wow. Look at this. And here, the circle. Wow. This is here, the so-called river trail. Man, look at that. That's the Grand River. Why they always call this stuff Grand River Avenue? Oh look, the ducks are coming. You think I'm gonna feed them, but I'm not. Okay. So here we see again my one wheel. I wonder if I can make it to the Capitol. That would be great, wouldn't it? Nice. The walkway is nice. Please protect the Grand River. Where does this go here? Look at this. Looky. Wow. Look. The tape. It's going uphill here. Ooh. I wonder where this goes. I should have recorded the trip here with a recording function in the app. Man, I can go long ways here. It's uphill again. What is this? And the river trail goes into the city, I guess. I have to change my hand. City So it is super cold, and I can't tell you how cold it is. I am freezing my ass off, and I'm going back to the car because that's way too much. I don't need to freeze to death here for one video, but it was a great trip. I liked it. I have to wait here for the street. Light is red. Maybe I need to drive in the street to go across here. Man. Still green though. Oh, cold.